Hi guys, in today's video we are going to see how to add push notifications in WordPress like this for free. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Go to onesignal.com or follow the link in the description. Click sign up. Create an account by entering email, password and name and click create account. Once you receive this email, open it and click confirm your account. You will be taken to this configuration page. We can also use OneSignal to send notifications to iOS, Android and many others. But for now, we are going to choose Web Push, that is for web browsers. Three methods can be used to configure it. Since we are using WordPress, choose this and select WordPress. Enter the site name and URL. Make sure to add the URL in this format. If you want to use an icon, you can upload it here. Finally, click Save. So now we have the app ID and API key. Go to the WordPress dashboard of your site. Hover your mouse over the plugins and click Add New. Search for OneSignal. On this plugin, click Install Now and activate. Once activated, click OneSignal. Now click Configuration. Now go back to the OneSignal and copy the app ID and API key. You can click on these buttons to do it. And paste it in the respective field. If you are using an HTTPS connection, make sure to turn this on. Now go back to the OneSignal and click Finish. So now we are going to enable push notifications for Safari. Unlike other browsers, we have to do it separately for Safari. Click Apple Safari. Enter the name and the URL of the site in this format and click Next. Choose WordPress and click Next. Copy the Safari web ID and get back to the site. Paste it here. Scroll down and enter the name of the site. We can configure the notification bell here and the text here. Scroll all the way to the down and click Save. So now let's test it. When people visit the site, they will be prompted with this message asking them to allow the notifications. If they click Allow, they will be added to the subscription list. Now let's post an article and see if it works. You can see that the OneSignal appears here. You can also turn this off to prevent notifications for a particular blog. As soon as we publish it, OneSignal sends the notification with the featured image. When people click it, they will be taken to the blog. Now, let's send custom messages as notifications. Go to app.onesignal.com or follow the link in the description. Now, click our site. And click this button. Enter the title and the message. If you want, you can also upload an image. Finally, enter the URL. Make sure to follow this format. Click Platform Settings and enable or disable notifications for specific browsers if you want. You can also schedule by checking this. Scroll down and click Confirm. Finally, click Send Message. Here it appears. When people click it, they will be taken to the URL we entered before. That's it guys. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask me in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.